Okay, class. So, i-ano natin, expand natin to. We have 2l plus 1 over 2r to the l, 0 to pi, pl of cosine theta, k over 2, p naught of cosine theta, sine theta d theta, minus 2l plus 1 over 2r to the l, integral from 0 to pi ng pl of cosine theta, k over 2, p1 of cosine theta, sine theta d theta. So now class, let's determine, di ba maraming L2, 0, 1, 2, and so forth. Let's determine for A0. What is A0? So this is, previous tayo. 2 times 0 plus 1, so 2. 1 over 2r to the 0, so bale, 1 over, sulat ko nga muna, 2 times 0 plus 1 over 2r to the 0. Integral ng 0 to pi, p naught ng cos theta, k over 2, p naught ng cos theta, sin theta, d theta. So ano to? We have, ay may second term pa pala, di ba? Plus yung isa pang integral. Pero class, 0 na yon kasi tignan nyo. Yung second term, P0 at P1 yun nasa loob ng integral. Non-zero siya unless pareho yung index 1 and 1, di ba? Dito, non-zero kasi parehong 0 yung, ito, 0 to. Pero dun sa second term, 0 na yung integral na yan. Kasi, ayan, dahil dun sa orthogonality condition natin. So, this is 1, ano to, 1 half times k over 2. 1 half times k over 2 times 1, ay, 1 half k over 2 times, ano na naman yung orthogonality condition? Teka lang, class Nasaan yung orthogonality condition? Ito. So, kapag L equals 0, 2 over 1. So, times 2 over 2L plus 1. So, that is equal to K over 2. Ang A naught natin. So, class, this is L equals 0. Ano naman ang L equals 1? We have A1 equals, sundan nyo na lang 2, 1, plus 1 over 2r to the 1 times 0 yung first integral minus 2, 1 plus 1 over 2r to the 1 k over 2 then 2 over 2 L plus 1. So, bale, cancel yan. This is equal to negative k over, teka lang, negative k over 2r. Tama. Negative k over 2r. Cancel kasi itong dalawang to. Tapos, ayan. Now, class, paano yung L equals 2, 3, 4, and so on? 0 yung integral kapag yun yung L natin, di ba? So, the other A sub L's vanish. So, now, class, the potential, therefore, is, so the potential is then V of R theta equals summation, sulat ko lang ulit, L equals 0, positive infinity, A sub L, R to the L, PL of cosine theta. This is K over 2, R to the 0, P0 of cosine theta, plus negative K over 2R, r to the 1 p1 of cosine theta plus 0 plus 0 plus dot dot dot. So that is equal to k over 2 minus k over 2r r cosine theta. So finally, we get v of r theta equals k over 2 1 minus r over r cosine theta. That is inside. So, label ko na lang v in. That is inside the sphere. Okay, class. So, yun lang. Ang task lang dito, class, ay ang paghahanap ng unknown coefficients a sub L. So, now, class, given the same system, ano naman yung potential outside? Meron yan. May potential outside siya. So, what is V out of R theta? So, babalik ulit tayo sa umpisa, class. So, V of R theta equals summation L equals 0, positive infinity, A sub L R to the L plus B sub L over R to the L plus 1, PL of cosine theta. Okay, so outside na tayo, class, 'di ba? So, hindi na pwedeng mag-blow up ito kasi hindi naman natin sakop yung 0. Pero class, ang pwedeng mag-blow up ay itong isa. Bakit? Kasi outside the sphere, sakop natin yung infinity. So this blows up at r approaching infinity. Ito hindi, kasi r approaching infinity, edi mag-zero lang to. Hindi siya magda-diverge. Ito lang. So ang valid na solution natin dito ay L equals 0, positive infinity, B sub L over R to the L plus 1, PL of cosine theta. Siya yung general solution natin. Okay, so apply ulit natin yung boundary condition na that V of R theta equals V naught of theta. So that is equal to so bale V naught of theta equals summation L equals 0, 0, positive infinity, BL over R, big R to the L plus 1, PL of cosine theta. Next page, we have, ano na lang, class, make use ulit natin yung orthogonality condition that diretsuhin ko na. V naught of theta, PL prime ng cosine theta, sin theta d theta. This is equal to summation L equals 0, positive infinity, BL over R to the L plus 1, 0 to pi, PL of cosine theta, PL prime ng cosine theta. Plus paulit-ulit lang to actually. Sin theta, d theta. So, again, ano to, diba? 2 over 2L plus 1. So, we get BL prime over R to the L prime plus 1, 2 over 2L prime plus 1. So, shinortcut ko na lang ano to? May Kronecker delta ulit to. Tapos, matitira lang yung L prime. Okay? Singit ko na nga dito. Yung mid-step summation BL over R to the L plus 1, 2 over 2L plus 1, Kronecker delta L, L prime. So, Kronecker delta L, L prime. So, bali, magiging ganito siya. So, dinrap ulit natin from L prime maging L. So, we will get finally, yung BL, we have 2L plus 1 R to the L plus 1 over 2 integral 0 to pi V naught of theta PL of cosine theta sin theta d theta. Okay. So, class, again, paulit-ulit lang. Kung kanina, ano yung previous natin? Yung V0, yung V0 natin ay k over 2, 1 minus cosine theta dito. So, suppose we have yung kanina, V0 of theta equals k over 2, 1 minus cosine theta. So, what's V out? Ano naman yung V out natin? So, class, sige, i-eyeball nyo. Tignan nyo lang. Tignan nyo to. So, ito ay P0, di ba? Itong cosine theta, P1. So, bali B0 and B1 ulit yung makukuha natin. Okay, class? So, solve ba natin? Sige na nga, solve na natin. So, let's solve this. L equals 0. Tingnan ko lang yung previous B0 equals, wait lang, previous. So, 2 times 0 plus 1. So, 1. 1 times R over 2. So, bale, 1 R over 2 times, ano yung integral nito? K over 2. So, may K over 2 ako dito. P naught. So, 0 lang yung magsusurvive. So, P0, P0. Bale, 2 over 1. So, bale, magiging 2 over 1. So, this is equal to KR over 2. Okay. So, next, sa B1 naman, bale, tignan ulit. Class, inaano ko lang pwede nyo itong isolve actually by looking at it. So, tinitignan